Hello, my name is Nate Wright, and I'm the Assistant Director of Recruiting and Admissions here at the Leeds School of Business. In this video, we are going to be talking about the application process for the Executive MBA program. You will need to submit the following items in order to have your application reviewed by our admissions committee. The application needs to be completed online and consists of the following: 2 letters of recommendation, which can come from supervisors, colleagues, clients, or mentors. Make sure that the people writing the letters of recommendation can speak to your business acumen, work ethic, your leadership experience, and most of all, your character. You will need to complete 2 essays. Each one is 250 words in length. In the first essay, describe your motivation for seeking an executive MBA degree. What are your career aspirations and professional development goals? How will this degree help you meet those goals? For the second essay, an important component of the Leeds Executive MBA program is engaging with and learning from your cohort classmates. Explain how your leadership skills and experiences will enhance your fellow Executive MBA students during your study. Transcripts should be uploaded to the online application, and they can be PDF copies or they can be photo images. Just make sure that the documents are legible. We also need your most current professional resume. The last item is the application fee of $70, and you can pay online. If you are a U.S. military veteran or an alum of CU Boulder, the application fee will be waived at the time of submission. Once your application has been submitted, we will evaluate your application materials, and then we will send you an email to schedule you for a 45-minute Zoom interview. The interview is the final and most important aspect of the Executive MBA application process. The interview allows us to learn more about you, your business acumen, goals, and aspirations in this program. The interview is conducted with me, our Director of Admissions, or one of our other 2 Assistant Directors of Admissions. I look forward to seeing your application soon, and go Buffs!